Wires, right? In a world of wireless, and we still have wires everywhere. You know what? That's okay. Wired internet is fast and less susceptible to environmental interferences. But there's one thing that I hate the most about wires. They can be ugly, especially around the house, and dangerous too to your kids or to your Roomba. Video of it right there. Oh snap! So today I'll teach you how to avoid your internet service provider cable mess with these. There are cheap ones like this, and there are expensive ones like that, Wi-Fi. But this is a channel for the average Joe, so let's go with the affordable ones. Without further ado, let's go. See this? Not much houses today have it. Old housing don't have Ethernet cabling going through walls like this. So when the service provider tech guy comes to your house, it will start drilling some holes or lay down cabling in a not so fashionable way. Well, that's ugly. At least to me. Next time, do this. Try to centralize the service provider router smack in the middle of your house. That will be much better for Wi-Fi coverage, especially if you only have one Wi-Fi router. But how you will be delivering the signal to your set-top box in the living room? Easy. Again, grab a pair of these and place the first right near to the router. Hook up the Ethernet cable and blam! Right into the power outlet. Head out to the final destination and connect the Ethernet cable into the second thingy and blam! Right into the wall. Start your TV and et voila! Wait, one more thing before you leave. Let's see how far can the device go. So picture this. If you want to hide from your family and you got no internet in the attic for your laptop because it's too far away, but power outlets, you have them, right? Let's test it out. What do you know? Success! Let's do a speed test. Keep in mind, I'm in a whole another floor using a 100 meg port only. The result is quite impressive. You can watch the tube or the flicks really well. Now let's go extreme. 8 floors away and 12 meters underground. It's a bunker down here.
Dude, it works!
Wow. Let's do another speed test. Not bad. Again, it's twin connector, it's 8 floors above. So, what do you need to take into consideration when using these devices? Well, use the same electrical circuit and avoid using extension cords. That's it. So the video is over. Like always, super simple, super helpful for the average guy out there. Now, put the like, the dislike, share, but please subscribe. And see you next time.